Not to be dramatic, but I literally can't open my eyes. Gotcha. Do this again. Why isn't it turning on? Oh, thank God. Where are we? Working out. We are doing a 1 hour cycle Pilates. So you cycle for 30 minutes, and then you do Pilates for 30 minutes. I don't even know if I like Pilates, but we're doing it anyway. Oh, pain. Bro, I actually got eaten alive, so that's embarrassing. My hip flexors, non-existent. I'm on a bit of a time crunch because my first class is at 11:15, and then I have a short little break, and then I have another class, and that class ends at 2. But today is actually a really exciting day because I'm registering to dance in THON. But while voiceover Sydney explains what THON is, I'm gonna take a shower. So what the hell is THON? In short, it's a 46-hour, no sitting, no sleeping dance marathon. And why would you subject yourself to that? Amazing question. THON raises millions of dollars every year to support kids with pediatric cancer. And trust me when I say that what they're going through is so much harder than standing up and dancing for a measly 46 hours. THON tries to alleviate as much stress as possible so that the families can focus on what's important, their child. Medical bills, they're all paid for. Research for a cure, funded by us. Friendships with the kids and families, we do it all. This year, I have been selected to be a dancer, which is a huge honor and has been my dream since coming to Penn State. This means I will be on the floor for the full 46. No sitting, no sleeping, no joke. With that being said, I would love to have your support. If you are able to donate, my fundraising page will be in the description. If you aren't in the position, no worries, I will be donating every cent this video makes to THON. So, watch away, mute me, put me in the background. Let's make a difference so that one day we can dance in celebration of a cure. I'm so excited for THON, I honestly can't even put it into words because, like, who wouldn't be excited to stand for 46 hours straight, not sleep for 46 hours straight, eat whatever food they provide for me because I can't bring my own for 46 hours straight, stand in an arena with blaring music that I don't get to control for 46 hours straight. So fun. You know what's not fun though? The fact that my hair is going to freeze on my way to class and that I'm probably gonna be late.
So that was announcement 1. Announcement 2, communication in the deaf world happens. When they talk about their different experiences,
Finished my first class. It was a deaf cultures class, so we were actually talking about deaf parents that have hearing children and kind of the cultural differences that are associated with that. It's really cool. It's my last gen ed at Penn State, and then now I have just like 40 minutes before my next class, which is actually in this building, so I'm gonna do some reading for it and also fill out my planner. Also, it should be noted that reading for class means me staring at my laptop from text messages that my friend sent me because we split the book and I forgot to get it from her, so she sent me pictures of the pages, all because I'm a cheap ass.
Where did I already start off in? Which country? Yes, indeed.
Germany?
Germany. It's a very big chain in Germany.
Finally, I can freaking eat. Eating my first bite of food at 2:35 p.m. I love college. Ugh. This pizza slaps, so I don't even care. To whom it may concern, my second class was good. I actually did finish the reading And by finish, I mean skim, because I never read textbooks extremely thoroughly. But it was good. It was basically like a case study discussion on Walmart China, and specifically how they globalized such a successful US brand and all of the adjustments they had to make when going internationally, specifically to the Asian market, just because there are so many differences. I am done with my classes for the day though, which is nice. I finish at 2 p.m. Only having 2 classes that go from 11:15 until 2 is just... This semester has been a drastic improvement from last semester. Not that you guys would know, because I didn't really vlog, because I literally was doing so much stuff every single day and I didn't have a second to breathe. I can't even articulate the amount of work that I did last semester, because I was president for my one club group project, 7 to 12 hours, classes, so much work, and then you do coding. All the STEM majors right now are like, shut up, I have 12 labs a week. Girl, I'm a business major. Let me complain. I did not sign up for this. I just feel like I had so many obligations. Like, I would be out of my apartment from 9 until 8 every single day, and now I do nothing. My plans for the rest of the day are to finish this pizza, give myself a second to breathe, and then I have to fill out some forms for my dancer registration later. Blurry boyfriend and I are going to go grocery shopping, and we're gonna make dinner. I just spit, don't look at that. I have in-person dancer registration tonight at 6:40 p.m. and then probably a bunch of homework. Emily is also dancing. Yay, queen! If y'all thought we were gonna do this by ourselves, you're dead wrong. We have to fill out this like whole long packet with like all of our medical information. They're like so unbelievably specific with this whole thing. Do I have allergies? Yeah. I don't know how to spell it. We're gonna wear glasses. Yup. Require insulin? No. How do I explain that I wear glasses or contacts?
I didn't explain.
I'll be like, I'm nearsighted?
Please feed me my bone broth, my emergency, and my lemon floor full of water every day. Please.
They're gonna be so sick of us by like hour 5. Don't we like only have certain times to use the bathroom?
Oh, I hope not.
Are you gonna hover?
I think you have to.
Are you shitting my dick?
Well, pray for us, folks.
Please remember to take your receipt.
I just got back from the grocery store and it is 6:07, so I don't really have time to cook with Blurry before I go to dancer registration, but he's just gonna be a patient-loving king and wait for me. I hope. My dancer partner, Carson, who is the other dancer that's representing my organization, is gonna come here in like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go and walk together because we have to hole punch our papers and Mans does not own a hole puncher. Not to brag, but I'm officially registered. Honestly, it was really easy. It only took like 20 minutes and we just went around to each of the tables, handed in our forms, and then they had people there to ask questions, but we didn't really have any. And then at the end they gave us this, which is THON 2022 Dancer Survival Guide, Time to Make Dinner. And by make, I mean Blurry has mostly already made dinner, but I'm gonna go watch.
What's the matter?
Just hay fever.
Gorgeous.
Our toxic trait is never trusting that chicken is done, ever.
I'm scared. Dude.
Who do you think is gonna win?
If it's not Steven, I'm not watching the show. The winner better be Steven, or else I'm gonna be upset.
I think Kate will randomly win.
I'll be less upset if it's Kate than it is Sophie.
Ooh, drama.
I hate this so much.
Oh my god.
The winner is...
I'm I'm so pissed.
Why?
I don't know. Anyone but her. Literally anyone but her. I take it back, Sophie. You're nice. I just would rather have Steven win, but you're still pretty good.
He just watched the Where Are They Now section and realized they're friends. So he takes it back. Besties, I just did my Wordle of the day and I was scared. I was really, really scared. I spent more time on this Wordle than I did on my homework today. Granted, I did only spend like 10 minutes on this Wordle, but you know what that means about my homework. Oops. I'm also just like so tired, so the only other thing I really did since we last checked in was kind of like skim this THON 2022 Dancer Survival Guide that they gave us in dancer registration. There's not really any pictures for you to look at. Dancing THON weekend will challenge you physically and mentally in ways you cannot anticipate. Preparing for some of these challenges will help you have a smooth and successful THON weekend. Stop drinking alcohol immediately. Honestly, a lot of Penn State students need that PSA, so. In case you guys are wondering, there are a lot of COVID-19 protocols in place. All dancers have to be vaccinated, our visitors have to be vaccinated. They might be requiring us to test, they haven't exactly said, but I will also be testing no matter what, so that's good as well. Plus, we do have to wear the mask the entire time. This is basically my only opportunity to do it, so if it's being put on and I believe it's relatively safe and I know people are doing all that they can to keep everyone safe, that's what I'm gonna do. THON is so awesome, you guys. Like, it's genuinely been my favorite part of my college experience. Like, I love football, and football is here, and THON is up there. So genuinely, if you have the means, or if you just want to support this amazing cause, look at the link down below. It's just my page, but none of that is going to me. It's all going straight to THON. But yeah, thanks again for watching. If you don't have the means to donate, no worries. By watching this video, you're already making a contribution because all of the money that I make from this video will be donated to THON, so feel free to share, feel free to watch again on another device, whatever you need to do. If you want to keep up with me during THON weekend, follow my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Just please don't DM me the time. I'm already going to be delusional enough, and I don't want any of you ratting it out. Love you. Bye.